This is from inside my room. There's icicles on my window. These are the cars. On this side of the building, they're getting a little more protection, so you can see them. On the other side, you can't see the cars very well. The wind is howling. The bushes are completely covered. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's pretty intense. Try to get over by the street light so you can see the snow, how hard it's whipping. I walk over to the other side of my room. We'll see the front of the building. Oh, icicles on my windows. Gotta get above the icicles. Trees all white. It's the picnic table. So this is a blizzard, huh? It's pretty intense. Can't really see out that window. Ow. Or this one's fogged up. You see snow where the light pole is. See Dad on the right side of the light poles, the 4 inches of snow I told you about. It's stuck there because the wind is only blowing that way. Right, well, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so, and the wind is really howling. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep tonight because of the wind. But hi everybody. Good night.